Oscar Wilde once said, "A person whose desire is to be something separate from themselves, to be a member of parliament, or a successful grocer, or a prominent solicitor, or a judge, or something equally tedious, invariably succeeds in being what he wants to be. That is his punishment. Those who want a mask have to wear it, but with the dynamic forces of life, and those in whom those dynamic forces become incarnate, it's different." Now, I personally love this Oscar Wilde quote, but I think it tells us something really important about perception. As a self-employed writer, I will be met with I get different reactions from people, but often professionals will sort of be like, "Oh, that's really cute," as if I'm doing a job that's a little bit of a hobby and anyone could do it and it doesn't really deserve respect. And I think that Oscar Wilde is responding to this kind of judgment in kind and saying, well, you sat there in your professional bubble, everything has already been decided for you, you are just assuming a mask that someone else wants you to wear. As a creative, you have to carve out a path for yourself. You have to hone a skill, become brilliant at it enough that it resonates with people, which is no easy feat, let me tell you that. Let me know in the comments what people say about your job, because people be judgmental, right?